Answers to common questions about affirmations. Over the past few years, people have become more and more aware of the power of positive affirmations to change their mindset and motivate them to achieve their goals. But if you've never tried using affirmations before, you may have some questions. Here are some of the most common questions people ask. How often should you use affirmations? While there are no hard and fast rules, positive affirmations work best when they are repeated regularly and consistently. This means you use the same wording and repeat your affirmations at approximately the same times each day. Experts recommend saying your affirmations out loud, in front of a mirror if you can, 3 to 5 times a day. If you want to supercharge your positive affirmations, add writing them down each day also. Can affirmations help alleviate anxiety and depression? Therapists agree that using positive affirmations can be a powerful technique you can use as part of your treatment plan if you suffer from depression and anxiety. Affirmations are not a cure in themselves, but can help boost your mood and confidence and can be an important part of any cognitive behavior therapy program. Can affirmations help you sleep better? One of the red flag symptoms of depression and anxiety is sleep disturbance. As well as helping resolve your anxiety, affirmations can be included in a regular meditation practice that can help you improve your sleep patterns. There are apps available for your smartphone or tablet that include affirmation-based meditations specifically to help you sleep better. Can affirmations boost your self-esteem? Positive affirmations can help you build self-confidence and self-esteem as long as the affirmations you choose resonate with your own personal value system. Make sure you choose affirmations that ring true for you. If your reaction is skeptical, or if you don't really believe in what you're saying, the affirmations are less likely to work. If you want to boost your self-esteem, make sure your positive affirmations focus on your strengths and what you really want to see in your life. Aren't affirmations just feel-good mantras? Some critics say that affirmations are just glib feel-good mantras, and sure, some of the affirmations you might see can sound a little cheesy. But cheesy doesn't mean wrong. It only reflects society's awkwardness with being emotionally honest. And the evidence shows that developing your own personal affirmations can have a profound effect on your mindset, mood, and effectiveness in creating the life you want.